They sued me and they won. Guess who? By a predatory financing company for a personal loan. Welcome to the second episode of the Money Talks mini-series, where today we break down how predatory financing preys on vulnerable people. Having financial knowledge can be a blessing and a curse, because once you know the game, it's very difficult to ignore it. There was one day I had to take out a $5,000 loan, and the interest rate was at 32%. That means over the life of the loan, I would pay over $8,000 in interest, totaling $13,000. Each month, over $130 went towards interest before even touching the balance. But I needed the money for an emergency, and when you don't have a financial cushion, you have to do what you have to do. Eventually, I stopped paying and tried to negotiate, but they didn't care. Daily calls, threats of collections, even an offer of a $1,000 loan to play catch up. But as y'all know, that's not help, that's a trap. Then came the knock. One morning around 10 a.m., I looked up from my computer desk and heard the door. Boom, boom, boom. An officer asked for Josh and handed me the papers. I looked down and in bold red font, it read, "You have been sued." I whispered to myself, dang it. Then I picked up the phone and called an attorney right away. He answered and confirmed, "Josh, we've got you covered." But that weekend before court, my anxiety was sky high and I prayed very hard. Monday came, it was court day. And just like that, they won. Here's the truth. These lenders design contracts airtight so that they're always 3 steps ahead, just to justify a 32% interest rate because their entire system is built on keeping you trapped. But here are 5 tips to avoid the same mistake that I made. Number 1, check the APR. If it's above 20%, walk away. Number 2, build an emergency fund. Even $500 can save you. Number 3, avoid rescue loans. More money won't fix missed payments. Number 4, know your rights. Collectors have limits too. And number 5, get help early. Reach out to local nonprofits. They can step in before the court date. Yes, they won, but I walked away wiser. These companies don't just take your money. They take your peace, your options, and your confidence if you let them. But once you see the game, you take full control. And at that point, their power disappears. So let my story be your warning. Don't fall for quick money. Build your safety net, protect yourself, break the cycle, and subscribe now so that we can stay locked in. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.